In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add effects and animations to text on Squarespace. We're focusing on making your text feel more dynamic without overcomplicating your workflow. You'll do everything right inside the Squarespace editor, and you'll see changes update in real time as you go. Let's start by selecting the text you want to animate. Click into the text block so the editing toolbar appears, then select the exact words or sentence you'd like to style. If you're planning to animate an entire headline or paragraph, it's a good idea to highlight all of the text so the effect applies consistently. With your text highlighted, look for the text highlight icon in the formatting toolbar. It typically sits alongside options like font style, alignment, and link formatting. Click that highlight icon to open a small panel of styling options tailored to your selection. In that panel, you'll find an option labeled Animation. Click Animation to open the controls dedicated to motion effects for your text. Next, click Animation Type. This reveals the set of styles you can apply. You'll see three choices: Draw, Fade and Scale. Draw creates a subtle, line-by-line reveal that feels hand-rendered and is great for adding personality to headlines or short phrases. Fade is classic and minimal, softly bringing text into view without changing its size, which keeps things clean and professional. Fade and Scale adds a gentle zoom as the text fades in, making key messages feel more prominent without being overpowering. Pick the style that best matches your brand's tone and the importance of the message on the page. After choosing the type, adjust the duration slider to control how fast the animation plays. A shorter duration feels snappy and energetic. A longer duration reads as smooth and cinematic. As you drag the slider, the editor typically shows you a live preview, so trust your eye and adjust until the motion matches the mood of your page. For readability, avoid making the effect so quick that visitors miss the text, or so slow that it delays access to important information. Minor tweaks here can make a big difference in how polished the result feels. That's it. By selecting your text, opening the highlight options, choosing animation, picking an animation type, and dialing in the duration, you can add subtle on-brand motion that elevates your design. Keep it consistent across similar headings and sections, and use animation to guide attention, not distract from your message.